friends, and welcome back to Sewing from Scratch. I am Kate, and this is where I teach you everything I know about sewing and we learn more together along the way. And today is just kind of a fun video following me while I sew in the camper. So I do have a video from last summer, kind of the same thing, so I will link that down below if you're interested. This is just kind of to show you what I do when we are away from home. First, I'm going to show you kind of where I store things, because I know that's a major issue. This is a big camper. It does have storage. I know not everybody has this amount of storage. Where I keep the sewing stuff is common in most campers, so hopefully it's helpful, or hopefully it inspires you to kind of think outside the box. Like, it doesn't need to be, you know, a cupboard or whatever. So I will show you that, and again, I will link that video below from last summer, because I've changed things up from then. So normally when we come camping, I plan to bring sewing stuff. I have everything organized. I have like my cut fabric, I have every notion I need, I have, you know, everything, a plan right down to it, and it's all organized, and usually I just have like a little box. But my heart just wasn't in it this year. I was not organized or planned ahead enough, so things kind of just got thrown in, which is fine. Like, I still had a general plan, and I knew I didn't want to do too much sewing. Everything just kind of got thrown in. Nothing's really organized per se, but I did only bring a few things, so let me show you where it is and what I have. Okay, so this is the bed, the master bed. Got some clothes on it, but this is the master bed, and last year I had some of the stuff stored under here. So in a lot of campers, the master bed will have storage underneath, so that's a really good place to store stuff. However, it's not super deep, so like for my serger, I think, didn't fit in there, or my cover stitch. You can lay them down too, but that's that. This year I have them in the table benches. So this is table bench, has a door there. This is the one that I have my stuff in. Of course, if you look here, like, my machine wouldn't fit through there, so the top actually opens up, which again I think is the case in most. And I just threw everything in there. So all I brought was my my regular machine and my serger. I did not bring my cover stitch, although I could have. I have use for it. And then I just brought some clips, a measuring tape, one little spool of thread, some little scissors. This has like hand sewing needles in it, and then that's extra machine needles, my big shears. This is the pattern already cut out that I'm working on, and then this bathing suit that you're gonna see, or you might have already seen in an alterations video, I need to do some work on. Obviously the foot pedal, some elastic, some tape that was actually for something else, just got thrown in here, pattern and instructions for that burgundy one, and a seam ripper is in here somewhere else, and that's it. So that's all I brought. So you really don't have to, oh, and there's more, there's some like cones of thread for the serger. So that's it. And yeah, you just really don't have to like reinvent the wheel, or like, you don't have to pack a bunch of stuff. Just figure out what you're going to be needing, and that's all you need. I also did bring a couple bobbins. I think there's one in there. Yeah, so now I'm ready for when I want to sew, and I just bring it out and set it up on the table here. These obviously get put away, and that's where I sew. I have also sewn outside on the picnic table, which works great too if you have a plug-in. All right, so let's do some sewing.
Put your
thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was just a little bit entertaining, I guess, and if you are doing some camping for the rest of the summer or into the fall, I hope you have a great time, and if you take your sewing machine, it's even better. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it was fun for you. Hit that subscribe button so I can see you in the next video. Bye!